Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode, titled AI That Reasons, Explains, and Speaks, Computational Linguistics Frontiers, spotlights breakthroughs from 18 research papers published on September 6, 2025. We'll explore next-generation language models and their real-world impact, from trustworthy advice to advanced voice synthesis across cultures. Featuring research highlights from computational linguistics and a deep dive into Jishuan Zhang and collaborators' GraphRag for traditional Chinese medicine, this episode promises the latest in language technology. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can mimic your voice, even in languages it has never encountered before. Envision AI systems explaining centuries-old herbal remedies, citing real historical and clinical sources. Today, AI-generated responses are not only fluent, but also factual and nuanced, capable of reasoning and adapting across languages and cultures. This ability marks a new frontier in computational linguistics, fundamentally changing how machines interact with human knowledge and society. Language underpins communication, business, science, and culture. Computational linguistics bridges human language and machine logic, enabling AI systems to not only understand, but also reason, explain, and adapt. 18 new papers reveal both breakthroughs and ongoing challenges in this rapidly evolving field. As these advances reshape the future of human-AI interaction, today's models move beyond basic comprehension to deliver deeper reasoning and richer explanations. Picture language as a dynamic city. Every word is a building, each sentence a street, and grammar forms the invisible infrastructure. Computational linguistics serves as urban planning for this city, employing technology to map roads, understand neighborhoods, and design better navigation for both people and machines. By blending linguistics, artificial intelligence, and statistics, this field powers search engines, translation tools, and medical systems. As the world becomes increasingly digital, the ability to process and generate language at scale is no longer optional. It is fundamental. A central theme in current research is the creation of self-verifying, citation-driven language models. Models such as VeriFact-CoT integrate fact-checking and source citation directly into their responses, markedly reducing the frequency of hallucinations, where AI makes things up. This approach is essential in high-stakes domains like journalism and law, where accuracy and traceability are critical. As a result, these models are evolving from simple parrots of information into diligent, scholarly collaborators. Language models like Llama Genba 10B are now supporting a broad spectrum of languages and dialects, extending far beyond English to include Farsi, Fulani, Bavarian, and others. Latinx exemplifies voice synthesis that preserves speaker identity across multiple languages, even if those languages are new to the system. This push for multilingualism and inclusivity is bridging communication gaps worldwide, akin to a teacher able to address every student in their native tongue. Such developments are making AI more accessible and equitable. Reasoning and explainability are at the forefront of computational linguistics. Chain-of-thought reasoning enables models to elucidate each step in their logic, similar to a mathematics instructor detailing their process. Bidirectional reasoning, as advanced by Nikiyama and colleagues, trains AI to address questions from both directions, enhancing flexibility and depth. Graph-based methods, such as those in Zhifeng Dantai, map intricate relationships within domains. These advances are transforming AI from opaque black boxes into transparent, accountable collaborators. Several key breakthroughs emerge from the 2025 research wave. Jishuan Zhang and collaborators' GraphRag leverages knowledge graphs to explain traditional Chinese medicine formulas with clarity and depth. Latinx preserves speaker voice identity across languages through preference optimization. achieving convincing results validated by human judges. VeriFact-CoT implements multi-stage verification, significantly reducing hallucinations and providing source citations. Deng and colleagues highlight existing numeracy gaps in top language models, especially for quantitative tasks. Mikiyama's contrastive fine-tuning empowers models with bidirectional reasoning, marking a new level of cognitive flexibility. A landmark paper by Zhishuan Zhang and colleagues addresses the generation and explanation of formulas in traditional Chinese medicine, a domain characterized by structured roles such as sovereign, minister, assistant, and courier. Earlier models often neglected these relationships, resulting in superficial and sometimes erroneous outputs. Zhifang Dangtai employs GraphRag, a graph-guided retrieval-augmented generation approach to provide both accurate medical formulas and transparent source-cited explanations, thereby elevating the standard for explainable medical AI. Zhifang Dangtai's technical innovation lies in its construction of a comprehensive knowledge graph for traditional Chinese medicine, detailing herbs, their roles, effects, and contraindications. The model uses retrieval-augmented generation, specifically GraphRag, to fetch relevant graph snippets, guiding fine-tuning of the language model for structure-aware outputs. This approach reduces hallucination, improves completeness, and ensures precise role assignment. The model has been open-sourced to encourage community collaboration and further validation. The human dimension behind Zhifang Dangtai is significant. Many researchers involved drew motivation from personal connections to the legacy of traditional Chinese medicine. Their objective was to make centuries-old medical wisdom accessible, transparent, and trustworthy through AI. Their methods have been validated both theoretically and empirically, and the resulting system serves as a template for explainable AI in fields such as medicine, law, and policy. The team has actively invited the global research community to build upon their foundational work. The future of computational linguistics resembles a living river, constantly branching and evolving. Structured knowledge integration is enabling models to function as expert guides in complex domains. Advances in preference alignment and self-verification are fostering more trustworthy AI collaborators. Progress in multilingualism is extending the reach of language technology to previously underserved communities. Techniques such as chain-of-thought reasoning and quantum-inspired embeddings are steering the field toward genuine understanding. This diversification signals a robust and expanding research ecosystem. To summarize, computational linguistics is advancing rapidly, bridging gaps in trust, inclusivity, and reasoning. From the application of GraphRag in medical contexts to voice preservation technologies like Latinx, the field is witnessing groundbreaking achievements. Persistent challenges include data scarcity, hallucination, and gaps between automated metrics and human perception. Nonetheless, the drive and creativity of the research community are evident in both personal motivations and technical ingenuity. Engagement with the ongoing research is encouraged as collective participation will shape the future of language AI. This presentation was created through a collaborative process that combined advanced AI tools and human expertise. Slide content was synthesized using GPT 4.1 by OpenAI for language understanding, with TTS synthesis powered by OpenAI and visual concepts supported by Google Image Tools. Human experts reviewed and refined the narrative to ensure clarity and accuracy. References have been cited throughout for transparency, though some oversights may remain. This synthesis exemplifies the effective partnership between artificial intelligence and expert human judgment. Subscribe to AI Frontiers for the latest developments in computational linguistics research. Join a community passionate about AI, language, and technology, and contribute your questions and insights in the comments. Watch, learn, and help shape the future of language technology with us. Thank you for being part of AI Frontiers. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.